Today I am cooking bread roast. First, vessels put in the egg. After I take sugar. After I mix. After mixing finish. After egg add. After mixing. After now now stove on. This vessels dryness coming. And the bread mix the egg after put in the after cooking the bread. First this one I am adding egg. After putting in the sugar, after putting in the mixing egg and sugar, after putting in the milk, after this one mixing finish, after vessels I take stove on, vessels put in the stove, after dryness dosa tava dryness coming, put in the bread slow fire. After put in the oil. Now bread is cooking. Okay, Papa. After this one, this model. Bread is cooking. Now bread is cooking finish. I take this plate. After I mix the bread, this milk and egg and sugar. Today I ask, my kids ask this bread roast I ask. Now I am cooking. My kids like this bread. Now I am cooking. This is very easy. This bread make this cooking bread make very easy, very tasty coming, and the children are like this bread roast. You like this bread roast? Your children you make the bread roast. Very easy for easy one food. Morning you give it your food, your children give it. Very healthy food. This food, egg and milk adding, very healthy, vitamins have. Now I am adding egg. Now I am adding the oil. This one bread put in the oil. You put in the ghee. You put in the ghee. Very nice coming bread. Very tasty coming. Little put in the oil. My kids like this bread eating. This food is very tasty. This one you like, you make cooking. My evening time, your children give it on this food. Children are very eating, very too much eating this bread. Okay, I give it. Now I'm cooking. Now stove is little increase make. My children's like this bread. My children ask this bread. I want this bread. My children ask. Now I will make. கொஞ்சம் வீடியோ தள்ளி வச்சுடு. அங்கே வந்து ஃபோன் வெடிச்சிடாம தீயில வைக்கையில். இங்கே கீழே இங்கே தள்ளி வச்சுடு. இங்கே அந்த சைடு இது பண்ணாத பாப்பா. This bread cooking is finished. This one cooking finish. This please like and subscribe and share the peoples. Thank you.